is Teacher Melody. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to What Khaenai School's Math and Science video lessons. For today's video, we are going to study about percentage. Again, percentage. Can you say it with me? Good. Okay. So first, we need to know what is a percent. We need to know what is a percent. So percent means out of 100. This one, out of 100. So, can you say it with me? It's percent means, okay, and percent represent with this symbol. Okay, this symbol. Yeah, the red one. So that's the symbol for percentage or a percent. Okay, so meaning 40% is 40 out of 100, right? Another one, 30% is 30 out of 100. And 80% is 80 out of 100, right? Okay, so how about your turn? Okay, let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Good. And great. Okay, how about this one, the last one? We have this. Okay, so 45%. So you can say that that is 45 out of 100. Okay, can you do it again? It's okay, very good. Okay, this time we're going to show a percentage in a picture. Okay, so we already know that percent is out of 100. So here we have 100 parts. Okay, 100 parts or 100 squares. And as you can see, some of the parts or some of the squares are shaded. Okay, so we will count how many parts or how many squares are shaded. So we have, this is 10, and then another set of 10, so that is 20. So there are 20 squares shaded. So we can read it in a percentage as 20 out of 100. So in percent, we can say it 20% using the word or the symbol. Okay, so another picture we have here. So question number 1, how many parts are shaded? Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30, and 40. So there are 40 squares shaded. And we can read it into a percentage as 40 out of 100. And we can say it in percent as 40%. Okay, good job. Okay, next we have this picture. Okay, so as you can see, the shaded parts are all over the picture. But what you need to do is you just simply count the shaded parts. Let's count. This is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36. Okay, so there are 36 shaded parts. And we can say it or we can read it in percentage as 36 out of 100, and then in percent 36%. Okay? Okay, so this time we're going to practice what we have learned. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a picture and we will answer some of the questions. Okay? So picture number 1. Okay, this one. And our first question is, how many squares are shaded? So what you need to do, just count the shaded parts. So this is 10, 20, 30, and 40. So the answer would be, how many shaded parts? There are 40 squares or 40 parts shaded, or in a sentence. Okay, let's see here. There are 40 squares shaded. Can you do it? Good. Okay. Next question. How do you read it in percentage? Okay, so we can answer by this one. It's 40 out of 100. Okay. One more time. Okay, very good. And our third and last question is, how do you say it in percentage? How do you say it in percentage? In a sentence? Okay, let's answer. It's 40%. It's 40%. Okay, or using the word or the symbol percent. Percent? Okay, very good. Okay, let's read. Okay, let's go on to the next picture. Okay, here. Okay, look at the picture. This one. Question number 1. How many squares are shaded? How many squares are shaded? What's your answer? Are you sure? Okay, you just simply count. Count the shaded parts. In a sentence, that would be, there are 25 squares shaded. Again. Very good. Okay, second question. How do you read it in percentage? How do you read it in percentage? Okay. Okay, that would be, it's 25 out of 100. Okay, one more time. Okay, great. And the last question, how do you say it in percentage? How do you say it in percentage? Okay, that would be, it's 25%. And very good. Okay, I think this is the last picture. And look at the picture and then you count how many squares or how many parts are shaded. One and this one. The answer would be, there are 24 squares are shaded. Very good. One more time. Very good. Next question. How do you read it in percentage? How do you read it in percentage? The answer in a sentence, it's 24 out of 100. One more time. Good. And our last question is, how do you say it in percentage? How do you say it in percentage? Okay, the answer, it's 24%. Okay, one more time. Okay, very good. Okay, so I hope you understand the lesson for today. So it's all about percentage, and you just okay, let's have a review. We already know that percent means correct, out of 100, and you already know the symbol for percent. And showing in the picture, you just need to count the shaded parts, and then you just need read and write those into a percent. Those are like in a picture into a percent. Okay. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something today, and please do your homework, and I will see you on our next video. Goodbye.